Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently following short-term expectations. I talked about it in the previous video earlier today that a break here, the break that we've seen yesterday below 69,080, even though it was really only a sustained break today, but remember yesterday in my last video I highlighted that we're likely going to follow a larger degree fourth wave, and I provided you with a micro count for that in the previous video and suggested this could be a WXY structure, and then now this is the Y wave that's unfolding as an ABC pattern. That's the current perspective I have on this chart, that we're currently moving down, well, at least in the wave 4. It could also be the purple count, which is just a different way of labeling it. But it's definitely a top of sorts in place, and I'm currently looking at this as a third wave top, and it takes a break below 65,740 initially to suggest that it's a B wave top, which is the more substantial top. Whereas it would really not, well, it would even become clearer below 64,360. Either way, some kind of a correction is unfolding right now, and we need some kind of a reaction followed by a break above the last swing high, $70,040, to suggest that the fifth wave to the upside is unfolding, and we would need to see where it will actually take us. Due to the short third wave, because it is too short, I don't fully trust the yellow count. I mentioned that in the previous videos as well. This third would have ideally pushed a little bit higher to at least 72,750, or better 73,816, because the third wave in the bullish count, okay, so this is the bullish count. The yellow scenario is bullish, where we've already bottomed in the larger degree correction in this fourth wave, which started in March. So where this third wave topped, fourth wave might have bottomed on the 1st of May. Now, for additional evidence, we're looking for the next 5-wave move to the upside. We only have 3 at the moment. Okay, I need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the third is too short to be reliable. That already, makes me, question this. I also indicated to you that this is not an impulse to the upside, so the structure isn't great, which is why we still have to allow for the white count, okay, which is a C wave down, which would, I don't know, a lot of people are panicking about it, but actually it would be another opportunity to accumulate, right, in this C wave of Y of 4, before we then start the journey to 85 to 90K. We'll see how it develops. It all depends now on this support region. Okay. So the yellow count as it is, I can really only follow as long as we're holding 64,360. Below that level, we're looking for the white count, but obviously if the yellow count gets taken out, there might be another variation of it. There will be another alternative. Surely I'm going to look for alternative bullish wave counts, but it's only a 3-wave move up. So someone asked me on Telegram earlier today, could it be that this is just an ABC, which it would be in the white count. So if it's an ABC, I have to assume it's the white B wave. But could it be that this is only the wave 1 of this fifth wave, which would be an ending diagonal? We're now doing a wave 2, which could be deep, but may never go below the 1st of May low. And then like this, 3, 4, 5. So it's doing this fifth wave in a large diagonal. Well, that's possible, but not probable without further evidence. In addition to that, this support region would still be relevant, right? So either way, does it really matter so much? Yes, anything is possible, but with an ABC top, we never really know what's going to happen. That's the problem, okay? We only get the next clear setup if we get a nice 5-wave move up, and then if we get a 3-wave pullback, that would be our next setup. A setup based on an ABC is always uncertain, so at least from an Elliott Wave point of view, but then you could just use the lower support region if you're looking for the next relevant risk level. But yeah, anything's possible, but we need some kind of confirmation for patterns like these. For now, for now it's very clear that a correction of sorts is unfolding, and the correction is set to continue until we see the next small 5-wave up move with a higher low that's forming in the subsequent pullback. So basically something like here where we had 5 waves up potentially, and a 3-wave pullback, or any rally with a higher low in the next pullback. So that would then indicate the next setup. For now, there's clearly a correction unfolding. I mentioned to you as well that we have to expect volatility today. So don't put too much emphasis, please, on the microstructures on a day like that. That's all related also, like short-term uncertainty, volatility due to the Ethereum ETFs and so on, or ETF. There's some news, those news bits that are coming out, speculation, panic, and so on. I don't normally follow that, but on a day like that, we just have to expect a bit of volatility. Very decisive week. The levels are very clearly defined. I also mentioned to you the next key breakout level to the upside. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.